Okay, as I said, since I don't have a left-handed drill bit here, I'm gonna go up to the next size, which is gonna be 3/16, and which is a little bit smaller than the largest drill that I would want to use, okay? And if I go to my chart here that's older than dirt, I see that I've got, I want to find out what's the largest size drill that I could use. And 1/4-20 is a national course size. That's what we have. And by the way, a 1/4-24 is a national special thread. 1/4-28 is a national fine thread, and a 1/4-32 would be national extra fine. So we've got a 1/4-20 national course, and the best size drill for that would be a number 7. The nearest fractional size would be 13/64, which is slightly larger than the 3/16 that I'm going to use. So 3/16 is a good size. As long as I have that screw, the workpiece, positioned so that it's pretty damn close. So I'm drilling pretty damn close to the middle of that screw. A 3/16 should take out probably almost all of that screw and not molest the threads in the workpiece. That's if I have it pretty close to centered. Another option would be to saw or mill a slot in the screw and try to unscrew it with a flathead screwdriver. That would be another option. I think I'm gonna go with drilling it out with a bigger size drill though.